Hi guys, today I'm getting my life back on track because I feel like for the last couple months I've been just veering off. I'm off the track. I've lost the plot and I have some changes that I need to make. It's a new year, it's a fresh start, and what better way to start the year off than doing a deep clean of my apartment? One thing I've always said is to have a clean, clear mind, you have to have a clean, clear environment. So let's fix the environment today. I also want to give a big thank you to Rocket Money for sponsoring today's video. I'll be talking about them a little bit more in a little bit, but for now, let's talk about everything that I've done up until this point. Over the last couple days, I've been kind of starting to clean my apartment a little bit just because I didn't want to start filming this video and then feel completely overwhelmed that I had to do everything at once. So the first thing I started with was deep cleaning my bathrooms. I did my guest bathroom. This included like wiping down all my counters, cleaning my sink. For some reason, I have so much dust in my apartment, so I was getting rid of all the dust, wiping everything down, and then I cleaned my mirror. And then I had to deep clean my toilet, which is my least favorite part, but you know, we gotta make sure that the toilet is clean. And then I moved on to my personal bathroom, and I basically repeated all of the same steps and just made sure everything was nice and deep cleaned. I even went as far as wiping down my baseboards because, again, there was dust on my baseboards. I put in a load of laundry and then I folded a different load of laundry. I had some weird marks on my wall I scrubbed off. And then at the end of all that, I realized that my sink was full of dishes, so I wanted to do my dishes. And then this is a clip from the next night, actually. This is me putting those dishes away and unloading my dishwasher. And that was last night, which brings us to today. And today's goal is to clean my kitchen and my living room. I'm saving my bedroom for tomorrow because I feel like it's gonna piss me off the most. But let's get to the kitchen. Why does it look like I'm squaring up? Okay, I think I need to change because these sleeves don't stay up and they keep like getting, like it just got wet. Hi guys, I'm popping in here to tell you one of my biggest goals for 2025, and that is to stop spending unnecessary money. I recently found out that I've been paying monthly for an editing app that I haven't touched, looked at, used, had on my phone in over 2 years. My mistake, but that's where today's sponsor, Rocket Money, comes in to help. Rocket Money is an all-in-one personal finance app that helps you cancel subscriptions, lower bills, and just manage your money better. So yeah, my favorite feature is definitely the canceling unwanted subscriptions. Basically, you just add your bank account and Rocket Money will give you a whole list of every subscription that you're currently paying for, and then from there you can choose the ones that you don't want anymore, and Rocket Money might be able to help cancel those with just a few taps. Rocket Money also makes it super easy to set customized budgets, which is super helpful if you have a little bit of a spending problem like me. The app shows you where your money is going at all times, and it also helps you identify top spending categories, and then it gives you insights on how to stay within your budget better. They also will notify you when you have upcoming charges or if your balance gets a little low to avoid overdrafts and late fees, which is amazing. So if you're looking to save more and spend less like the other 5 million users that are currently using Rocket Money, you guys can go to rocketmoney.com/Bailey or click the first link in the description box to get started for free. Thank you so much to Rocket Money for sponsoring today's video, and also thank you Rocket Money for potentially helping some of my viewers be more financially responsible in 2025. Right now, I'm going to declutter my fridge. I honestly have not gone grocery shopping in like 2 weeks because I've been waiting for all of my food to get old. Not like waiting for it to get old, but I've been like trying to eat everything before it gets old, and I just had like a bunch of random stuff, and I wanted to kind of I wanted to put off shopping until I could go through my fridge and get rid of a bunch of stuff. I have like expired condiments and expired stuff, and it's kind of a mess. Here she is. She's not organized. She's not cute. I hate wasting food food. I hate doing this, but you know, I have to get rid of it. I'm not gonna eat it if it's expired. God, I hate this. Really? Oh my God. Oh, what's wrong with me? It's been about an hour and a half because I had to take a little editing break, but I'm back. Also, one thing I did that I didn't film, sorry, I don't want it to get repetitive ever. I try to keep it as entertaining as possible, even though the main goal is kind of just like satisfying motivation, inspiration to clean your own room or kitchen or whatever. So I didn't film, but I did wipe down all of the shelves and the drawers inside of my fridge just because, you know, there was like some little food particles and just nasty stuff. So my fridge is looking clean. It's a lot more organized. And now I have 2 more things to do before I can let myself rest for today. One is breaking down all of these boxes that I currently have in my laundry room. Like it's so bad. A lot of this was like Christmas shopping, Christmas orders, other stuff, PR packages. I just have so many boxes that I need to break down and bring down to the recycling. And then also my living room is pretty clean, but I just want to pick up my living room. Okay. I have no idea how I managed to fit all of those boxes in here, but I'm gonna bring this down to my recycling. Okay guys, this is a room I never show you because I am low-key embarrassed. This might be a completely separate video because I kind of want to like redo a few things, but I have this big box. It needs to go downstairs, but I think I'm gonna have to take it separately because I can't carry it with one hand. I don't want to do 2 trips, but I need to get rid of this box. Actually, this is garbage. I can bring this down and come back for that. Excuse me. It's so bad in there. Great, now I already have more recycling to throw away. Also, I probably should have vacuumed after I deconstructed all of those boxes because there's like little particles of cardboard everywhere. So I think I might re-vacuum this little area by my door and then also where all of the boxes were sitting in my laundry room. Real talk, I'm starving. It's currently 7:19 and I ate lunch at like 2 and I haven't had any snacks or anything, so I'm very hungry right now. I think I'm gonna make some pasta because I have an open jar of pasta sauce and I don't want it to go bad. And I also don't really have any other food, if you guys saw, based off of my fridge. You guys just saw me unboxing some oils. You're probably like, what is that all about? Basically, I'm gonna start like scalp oiling. I feel like I've been losing a lot of hair lately and my hair just hasn't been as healthy as I want it to be. It's not like bad, but like I think just with winter, like it's very dry. So I'm gonna start hair oiling, and these 3 are recommended for like hair growth and like hair nourishment. So I spent a bunch of money on oils for my hair. Hopefully they actually do something. I'm gonna go put these in my bathroom. It's already feeling so much better in here. I still have a lot to do, but like the things that I've been doing, for instance, like taking this cardboard downstairs, I've been putting off since like Thanksgiving. Like those boxes, like that's just not like a week's worth of packages. That is like months of boxes. And I just kept putting it off, and then every time I looked in here, I just got pissed off at myself. And now they're all gone, and I have a lot more organizing to do in here still. Maybe I'll get around to that tonight. I'm kind of still in the mood. I need to edit, but also I'm having kind of like a lot of fun, and I have motivation to clean right now. And cleaning motivation only comes once in a while, so I kind of want to take advantage of it. So I'm gonna eat dinner and see how I feel after that, but right now I'm feeling pretty good. Oh my gosh. Feels like I've been cleaning all day and it's still like I haven't even done that much. Also, you guys, I rarely ever put this yoga mat and my back roller away unless I have like guests coming over, because I try to roll my back out multiple times a day because I have the worst back ever. I was supposed to call the chiropractor today and schedule an appointment and I didn't, but my back is seriously so messed up. Okay, I think I have to be done for today. Hello, welcome to day Wait, what day is this? Day 2 for you, but technically day like 4 or 5 for me of cleaning my apartment. Today we're doing my bedroom and my closet. I'm gonna first start with stripping all my bedding so that I can wash it. I did that in such an interesting way. Okay, got it. Okay, so my main issue currently is it's been like 2 weeks since Christmas and I haven't put any of my like Christmas gifts away. I need to like wash the clothing. I need to put it all away, and I don't know where to put any of it because I don't have that much room. So that's why I've been putting it off. I opened this package and I wanted to do like a video unboxing it. This is from Olipop. They sent me a little Christmas gift. I actually don't know what's in here. It's a little ornament. Look how cute he is. And then they sent me vintage cola and ginger ale. Another ginger ale, another vintage cola. Here is the star of the show. Oh my god, what is this? Untap your beverage can's potential. It's a can opener. This thing is sick. They sent me this little hoodie and then these sweatpants that have the little Yeti guy on with the little can of Olipop. These are so freaking cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm kind of sad that I didn't get to wear these when it was like actually the holidays and Christmas. I was being stupid just like letting this box sit here. This little purse has been sitting here for months. Like I wouldn't be surprised if it's like dusty. I don't even know what's in here. I've just been like avoiding this. I have like a water bill. Oh, I have a top that I never returned. Look out on my Depop. I actually like this top, you guys, but I paid over $40. It was like $45 and it's just like not worth the money. It's a little small on like my chest, so like when it stretches it like becomes like see-through and it's just like not it. I would pay like 25 bucks for this top, but $45 is insane. But if you have a smaller chest than I do, it won't stretch out like this and it will actually be super cute. So yeah, new Depop drop coming soon. I actually bought this on Depop and I got completely misled because there is a fat stain on the front of it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know, I wanted to buy it because it has like a built-in bra and I love that with white tank tops, but it's just like not as cute as I thought it would be. And then I have a pair of underwear, okay. Oh my gosh. These are film pictures from Tailgate and Tallboys last summer. Oh, Marley! Oh, I forgot about these. Marley is so cute. Wait, I love this picture. This is so cute. Finally, she's empty. What the hell is that? My YouTube plaque is sabotaging me. Oh, also a little cleaning hack. If you're trying to dust, but like a dry duster doesn't really do anything in my opinion. It kind of just like takes the dust and like spreads it into new places. Take one of these Swiffer sheets and get it a little wet, like splash some water on it. Not like so it's wet, but just so there's like a few little damp parts and it will pick up the dust so well. Ew. I have a ton of random jewelry in here. I'm going to bring it into my get ready with me room and like put the stuff that I want to put away. And then like some of this is like actually like I don't wear it. And this is the stuff that's meant to be in this dish just for like decoration. But there's some stuff in here that I actually wear, but I don't wear it right now because it's just like hidden in this little tray. Clearly my closet is a little bit of a mess. I know I'm just showing you the floor right now, but that's like the main thing that's a mess. Honestly, the rest of my closet's pretty organized, but I just have all these dirty clothes on my floor for some reason. My bedding's currently in the dryer, and then I have a load of laundry that I need to put away. However, I have plans right now. It's like almost getting to be dinner time and I have dinner plans, so I have to leave and I can pick this back up when I get home. But I think by tomorrow I'll have everything done that I wanted to do. It's kind of unfortunate since I've been doing this over over like the span of multiple days. Like I clean one area and then like the next day as I'm cleaning the other area, just like living life, the other area that I already cleaned is messy again. Not like actually messy, but like my kitchen, for example, like I have a bunch of dishes to do right now. It's just a never ending cycle and it's just like, ugh. Also, if you can't tell, I kind of woke up with a little bit of a little sore throat and a little stuffiness. I think I'm just gonna pile these all up right here for now, and I'll like put them into 2 separate containers, or not containers, hampers, when I put my other laundry away later. But I'm just gonna like kind of pick up the rest of this stuff. Hello everybody, it is the next day and it's the final day, I think, of this little apartment transformation. As I'm walking around looking at my apartment, I feel like I'm at a good spot and I've done everything that I've wanted to do up until this point. Listen to my voice right now. I don't know why it sounds like that. What the f? It sounds like I am like on helium, but like deep. That made no sense. I don't know what I'm even saying, but basically, moral of the story, my apartment is clean as I want it to be right now, as clean as I have the energy to make it. I feel like it looks significantly better than it did before, and overall, I'm happy with it. Like I don't need to do a whole walkthrough because you've seen all of this, but it's just so nice not having clutter around. Looks good, looks good. I've got to do this laundry today, but my closet looks pretty good. My bathroom, there's some out because like I have to get ready and I don't know, you guys get the point. I was gonna maybe do some like New Year's resolution talk or like other stuff related to prepping for the new year. I really don't feel like it, so I think I'm just gonna end this video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know you guys love these cleaning videos. I love making them because it's just so crazy to me that I can turn being productive like around my apartment and in my room. Like I can turn my everyday productivity that like everybody has to do, I can like turn it into work, which is insane. So I'm glad you guys love these videos because it gives me so much more motivation to like actually do the things that I need to do in my day-to-day life. Once again, if you guys are trying to get on top of your finances in 2025, you guys can click the first link in the description or go to rocketmoney.com/Bailey and join for free today. I appreciate you guys so much and I'm wishing you all luck and happiness and love and joy in 2025. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.